Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen, and today we're doing another unboxing, and holy crap, I am unboxing today the new EVO IRM-1 Rechargeable Sonic Toothbrush, the officially licensed Ironman inspired toothbrush based on Iron Man from the MCU as well as the comics. This thing is wild. It is about $200. It is quite an impressive set of specs for a motorized brush. This is not something that I would normally buy into, but for those of you that celebrate Valentine's Day, it just passed a couple days ago, and my girlfriend, the amazing Miss E, decided to get this for me as a gift because I mentioned that I liked it. I would love to have it, and crazy woman went ahead and did it, and I am nothing but grateful for having her in my life. And an amazing gift like this. It's super thoughtful. It's something I mentioned, something I said I wouldn't splurge on myself for, and she went ahead and did it for me. So that's just awesome. And I wanted to share the unboxing with you guys, and so you can take a look at it, see what it comes with, and go from there. So let's go ahead and let's get started. On the front, obviously we have the manufacturer's name, EVO, right there. The model number, which is the IRM-1 Ironman 1 Rechargeable Sonic Toothbrush. Marvel, because it is licensed by Marvel. If you can see it, this background work is gorgeous. Very reminiscent of the wallpaper in Haunted Mansion, but it is arc reactors and the Iron Man helmets. Love it. Love the Iron Man helmet right here, dead center, just phenomenal. Contents includes one rechargeable handle, 2 brush heads, and 1 charging base. For those of you who are buying it from Amazon, which is where a lot of people seem to be getting it from, if you're looking for the brush heads, you need to go to EVO's website to get them. Also, a little hint for those of you that don't know, while supplies last, they have a limited edition travel case where the serial number that's on the bottom of the brush can be input and you get it for free. So you may want to look into that too. Got the Marvel logo there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. This thing is huge. It's just a basic black Marvel logo there. It's embossed, really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the top. On the top here, we've got that same EVO advert that's on the top left corner, EVO IRM-1 Marvel Rechargeable Sonic Toothbrush, 2 brush heads with fading bristles, arc reactor charging base. That's another thing. The base is an arc reactor and the bristle shape. And it's signed by Mr. Tony Stark himself, or Anthony Stark, whatever you want to call him. Go ahead and take a look at the side. And on the side, we've got here the exact same picture there, exact same information. Again, signed by Tony Stark. On the box itself, it's signed by Tony in a metallic red, matching the Iron Man armor and the EVO logo. I'm loving the amount of care and attention these guys put in to this unit. On the opposite side, we've got this phenomenal background that we've seen, great image of the Iron Man helmet, and once again signed by Tony Stark and the EVO logo. This thing is absolutely bonkers. Let's go ahead and grab our trusty blade and let's open this guy up and take a look and see what it comes with. So I'm gonna be careful here. I don't want to, one, I don't want to cut myself, and number 2, I don't want to actually damage the box. I gotta be honest, this freaking box is bordering on a collector's case in and of itself. So let's open this up, take a look here. Get all this plastic wrap off. So excited. I jumped right into this one. I forgot to mention, guys, as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm just really excited to be opening this thing. So let's go ahead. Let me get rid of this paper real quick here so it's out of the way, this plastic. Let's go ahead here and take a look. So first things first, I noticed that this corner piece looked like it's removable. And that it absolutely does. It is a slip sleeve. It slips right off. So we're going to go ahead and move that off to the side. I'm going to lay this guy back down. And we're going to open it up and take a look. And boom, boom, boom. I swear, I wish I feel like I had like the Iron Man armor effects. God, this thing screams quality. I got to point this out. The tab, I think I know why it's here for a reason. This cardboard box is actually magnetic. It's self-closing. That's crazy. They really just put...
Industry's secret vault. Activating EVO. Heating engine. Check. Microprocessor. Check. Smart timer. Check. Clock defender. Check. EVO is fully operational. You now have access to Stark Industries' secret vault. Activating EVO.
That is awesome. That is actually the audio taken directly from the trailer for this thing that Evo released. That is so awesome. Let me see. Yeah, yeah, it has a button, and it freaking has a sensor when you open the box. I mean, talk about quality. That is great. I'm going to stop it so we can continue with the unboxing. Let's go ahead. And, oh, this is great. I'm blown away by that. So it pops right out. I'm loving right off the bat that it literally looks like it's one of Stark's, you know, in the films, his cases. Kind of like what he has in the first Avengers where he's holding the Iron Man armor. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal what they did here. It's got a little insert here where it's at. Let's take a look at the brush. This is cool, that arc reactor there. As you brush, like some other toothbrushes, it'll fade to white, so you know it's time to replace the head. It's got some of that tech marking. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this paint job on this thing. It's phenomenal. It's exactly like Iron Man's armor. I can't get over this. Wow. I mean, you can see the bottom has the gold tones. Got to cover that up because I need that serial number, but I mean, it is just amazing. It looks like the lower part of the abdomen, his chest, and then the newer arc reactor, the rounded one, the one with the new tech. And oh wow, holy crap, it's charged. Oh my god, look at that, guys. The arc reactor glows. That is wild. Wow. That is wild. Look, you can even see there's a light here in the base. Oh, these are the different features. This thing has different vibrational settings it talks about in the instructions. That is absolutely magnificent. Oh my god, I am absolutely blown away by the level of quality and craftsmanship that's in this toothbrush. I'm totally starting to see why it had a price tag that it did. It is gorgeous. I'm so fanboying out. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that interior package work, guys. I am Tony Stark. I am Iron Man. Jesus, man. It's so funny if you've seen Endgame, how I am Iron Man coming out of Tony's mouth has taken on a whole nother meaning. Wow, this is impressive. Let's go ahead, and that is gorgeous. I swear to you, I'm debating right now. I'm going to have this framed because this thing is gorgeous. Wow. Holy goodness. Whew. This is the image. This is what I was telling you about. There's the replacement heads. This is actually what the case looks like. That with the serial number that's on the bottom of the brush that you can subscribe to. There's the replacement brush heads. There's one brush head. It comes with two, the one that's already pre-installed and the one that's in this box right here. Just for giggles, let's go ahead and open it up so we can take a look and see what it looks like in here. And wow, look at that. Goodness, man. I'm going to go online and order some more of these from Evo directly. But that's phenomenal. Look at the quality of this case. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I mean, once again, signed by Tony Stark. Open me. There is more in here. Look at this, guys. There's something getting away. I love it. It looks like, and you know what's funny? It didn't dawn on me till right now. The case looks like the case that Tony's glasses are in, Edith, that he gives to, oh my God, that he gives to Peter. Look at this. For your next journey, get evo.net/journey. P.S. You'll need your 5-digit serial number at the bottom of your toothbrush. And that's what I was telling you about. You can use this code on this Stark Industries card and go and get yourself the actual case that looks like this from them. I don't know if it includes shipping or not, but wow, man, I am blown away. Just the absolute sheer quality of this thing is blowing me away, and I'm loving every bit of it. Gosh, guys, I'm so blown away. Wow, amazing. Comes with the actual charging block. For those of you that are into electronics, you know these are becoming more and more difficult, it seems, to get them to include. You've got your charging block. You've got your USB cable here. Let me see what kind of end is this here. And it is a micro USB-C. Nice. That's nice. They're keeping it, contemporary. That's awesome. And we've got here, let's take a look at this bad boy. This is the thing that I have been looking forward to. If I can get it out, there we go. There it is, the arc reactor base. From what I understand, I believe it glows when you charge it. I'm not sure, but that's pretty dope one way or the other. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look at some of the paperwork. I'm blown away. The quality is there, guys. I'm sorry. If this thing cleans half as well as it looks, it's gonna be worth it. Let me take a look here. EVO subscription. Never forget to replace your brush head when you sign up for a quarterly refill plan. Activate lifetime warranty for your brush. Access by visiting getevo.net. Subscription. Thank you for being one of our early customers. We're so excited for you. We wanted to offer you a free gift. Use your toothbrush's unique serial number to redeem your free gift at getevo.net/journey. Rechargeable Sonic Toothbrush User Guide. Rechargeable Sonic Toothbrush Instruction Manual. So we'll take a look at the user guide real quick. And it looks pretty cut and dry. Wow, look at the artwork. God. EVO stands for evolution. EVO was born from the dream of creating futuristic products today. Concept products and concept cars are amazing to look at, but almost never something you want to purchase. So we asked why. This is what was the start of our challenge, thinking of creative ways to turn a dream into reality. Working with some of the best designers and smartest engineers around the world, we examine our aspect of our product to make them a reality. We're dreamers, creators, and designers currently working on connected technology projects that you never imagined would be possible. That's amazing. Why Marvel? Marvel has always inspired us with the thought of futuristic technology that could be possible in our world. Looking for the future, we partnered with Marvel to create the IRM-1 as our first collaboration. It's introducing the IRM-1, the arc reactor charging base, the adapters, power buttons. The mode light switch are, the four modes are standard, sensitive, whitening, and deep clean. That's great for those of you who have different health situations. You can actually set this thing to go for what you want. It tells you getting started, how to use, switch quadrants, all of that fun stuff. It's amazing. Wow. That's crazy. Battery charging indicators, things along those lines, how to stay connected, and so on and so on. And it has your toothbrush covered with a 1-year warranty, register for subscription plan, and receive a lifetime warranty, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look here at what it comes with in the rechargeable Sonic Toothbrush Instruction Manual. And it looks like it's just the please read and save all instructions on how to maintain and use and operate and so on. And that's it, guys. I am absolutely blown away by just the quality of this product. I am absolutely at a loss for words. Some of the other reviews that I'd seen were amazing. I could not wrap my brain around investing $200 on a toothbrush, and I was sorely mistaken by that statement. I am blown away. This thing is freaking phenomenal. I can't wait to start using it. Can't wait to gotta charge it and get it going, but it is amazing. Wow. Absolutely adore it. It's just amazing. This peels away. It's just basically open both doors together. If you love it, post your reaction and tag at GetEvo, and boom, probably will do that. Oop, closed it the wrong way. But that is absolutely impressive. Love this whole thing. Can't wait to start using it. Wanted to share it, like I said. Listen, if you're a lot like me, a high-end toothbrush is not something you normally would buy. But if you're a tech nerd, go for it. But that's pretty much it. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a great night.